it sits flat on you, so that's really a plus. A lot of bags do not come like that. So Louis Vuitton, let me give you a thumbs up. This was a really good idea that you did. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal, also known as K Clark, and today I will be doing a luxury handbag collection video for you guys. This is really exciting. These are my babies. If you know me, you know that I am big on handbags and shoes. My handbags have to be beautiful. My shoes have to be beautiful. A couple of brands that I do like a lot. And today I will be sharing with you guys which bags I do have, okay? So let's jump into this video. Okay guys, so I did make a list here on my phone, so I wrote everything down that I have right now. Okay, so first up on my list, I have my Louis Vuitton Speedy bag. This is the first bag that I'm going to show you guys today. It is the Louis Vuitton Damier Azur print, I believe. Yeah, I think that's the print that this is. It's in the Speedy. This is not the biggest bag they have, so I'm gonna go with this is like the medium size one, but this is the oldest bag that I have in my collection right now. I've had this bag for years, and as you can see, it has like wear and tear on here. Basically just the color is just off from holding it. I think they said like the oxidation or something, I don't really know, but from my hand holding it and it just sitting out, the color does wear on this bag. But this is the oldest bag that I have in my collection. Okay, so next I have my Neverfull bag. This is the large one. It's very wrinkled right now because it was sitting on the shelf with my Speedy on top of it, and my Speedy is stuffed. This is my Neverfull bag in the damier print. It fits so much in this bag, it's unbelievable, and it's lasted me so long, and it's in great condition. Next on the agenda, and if you can't tell, I'm going by brands because it just makes it easier, I guess. We have one of my newest bags. I really do love this bag. It's so perfect. It's a cylinder bag, so normally when I put things in here, I don't use my wallet, my regular wallet, because it's pretty long, but I do have a smaller wallet that I do throw in here with just like a little bit of cash and my cards. It fits perfectly in here. My phone fits in here, my mask fits in here, sanitizer fits in here. It doesn't look like a big bag, but I promise you so much fits in this bag. So much fits in this bag. It also has the hooks on here, so you can remove the strap if you want to and not have it as a shoulder bag, and just carry it like this or like this. But honestly, with the strap hanging off of it, it's still a good bag as well. But I love this bag. One of the things I do like the most about this bag is that even though it's cylinder, it shows you that circle look. The back of this bag is flat. It sits flat on you, so that's really a plus. A lot of bags do not come like that. So Louis Vuitton, let me give you a thumbs up. This was a really good idea that you did. Okay, so next I have kind of like a one-off bag, and I'm going to call it a one-off bag because I only have one bag of this brand, the Montresor bag, and I have it in the classic Fendi print. It has a top handle that does not have to stay up. The top handle actually can relax down like this, fold to the back, or you can put it to the front, whichever your style is. This bag comes with handles on it. Let me put it this way. It comes with a shoulder strap, so I can wear the bag crossbody like this if I want. See, there's no zipper or anything like that, but it does have this little toggle in the front, so you can just pull it and close up the bag like this, so things don't fall out. Okay, so next up I do have another one-off bag. This is another bag that I feel like I had to have, and I went so hard to get this bag. This bag is the Givenchy, and what is it called? Antagona bag? I'm not sure, but I am butchering the pronunciation of most of these bags, guys. Please do not judge me. But this is what it looks like. It's in the, I believe it's called Cool cool gray, if I'm not mistaken, or just gray. I don't know, I'm probably honestly just making up the colorway, but it is the gray bag. This one was the large. It has a top zipper that closes the bag. It has a top handle. I feel like it's almost like a messenger bag because you can actually wear it as a shoulder bag as well. My strap is still at the bottom of the bag. This is literally the first time this strap has ever been from the bottom of this bag. So this next bag is the Gucci Tien Bag. It's the wallet on the chain version. It is the Gucci print with the graphics on top of it. When Gucci came out with these bags, well, started coming out with the canvas printing on top of their logo, I thought it was so adorable. It's a wallet on the chain, so it actually opens up like a wallet would, designed just like a wallet would be. It also has the chain, which is very, very beautiful. Ooh. It's in the gold color. This is the only one of my bags that comes on every vacation with me. Next up, I have another Gucci bag. This is my Gucci Dionysus medium, one chain that doubles. So I can wear it like this. I can double it and wear it like this. I can put other things in there. This opens up as well and you can slide some stuff up in there. But of course I have never done that. Next up I have another Dionysus bag. It's a Gucci Dionysus bag. This is in the color silver. It's very, very silver. I don't know if you guys can truly see that on the camera, but it's so silver. It is a mini bag. It's so small. And this one just pops open like this. And inside looks like this. I'm gonna be very honest with you. Nothing fits in this bag. The only thing I have put in this bag when I actually did wear it was money, cards, keys, and gum. It is so beautiful. Okay, so next up I have my Saint Laurent bags. This bag that I have right here is the wallet on the chain. It is in the black on black, meaning the bag itself is black. The hardware, Saint Laurent, YSL is black. And when you open it up inside, everything in here is also black. And go figure, the chain as well is black. So this is a black on black bag. This is, like I said, it's a wallet on a chain bag, but it's pretty big. Like, this bag is literally bigger than any wallet that I've ever had. Okay, so one thing you guys will notice about my collection is that most of my bags are classic bags. So as far as bags are concerned now, I only want classic bags. Okay, so the next bag that I have is another Saint Laurent bag. This bag actually is an older bag. I have had this bag for quite some time. It's one of my first designer bags when I started buying classics. I felt like it was the perfect classic bag. It is a clutch. It's in a beautiful deep red. I believe the name of this bag is Bella de Jour. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but Bella de Jour red platinum, Lord Jesus, red patent clutch. Okay, so now I'm gonna get into some very, very special bags of mine, and I'm sure many of you have tuned into this video just to see these bags, okay? They are the most expensive bags that I own. They are the only bags that I know that holds its value. So let me jump into these bags so I can finally show you guys my Chanel bag collection. So I'm gonna start off with this bag right here. This bag is actually my first Chanel bag. It is a La Boy bag. It has this long strap on it, and if you pull up the other half of the strap, it makes the bag a little bit shorter. But this is what it looks like. It is so beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. This is my first baby. Now we have another Chanel bag. This is in the patent blue color. This bag is exactly like the first one. This is another little boy bag. And I do wear this bag a lot, like a lot. And I think it's because it's patent, so I feel like if something spills on it or drops or it dings onto something, it won't get damaged, so I do wear it a lot. Next up, I have what I call my big boy. This is one of my favorite bags. Okay, this is my Chanel classic double flap in the jumbo size. It's a pretty big bag and it definitely fits a lot. It looks like this in the back. It has like a little pocket slit thing here, which I think is pretty cool. And in the front, it's different than the other two bags, Chanel bags that I have, because it doesn't push like this, but it actually has a turn. But this is what it looks like. It's such a beautiful bag. All the details on this bag are amazing. It is the Chanel wallet on the chain. It literally is the same exact bag as the jumbo bag, in my opinion, except in the small version. This is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. Do you guys see the color? She is so pretty. The chain, which I think the chain is so beautiful. Like, let me show you guys. I think this looks so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I think it looks so pretty. This bag is the Hourglass extra small bag. As you see, it still has the tag and the plastic on it. I've had this bag for about 3 months, and I have done nothing with this bag. I've never had a white bag before, so I'm really excited about it. It is the Balenciaga Hourglass bag. I've never taken off the wrapping. My boyfriend thinks I should give this bag away, but if you know how much this bag costs, it's not just something I give away without thinking about it, because this bag is very expensive, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna hold on to this bag and try to wear it. So the next bag that I have is this red Fanny Pack. I know that it's not technically a handbag, but for me it is a handbag. It's a designer handbag because I wear this bag just like I wear the rest of my bag. So to me, it's a part of my designer handbag collection. It's technically a bag and it's technically designer, so this is what it looks like. It's red, bright red. It has a Balenciaga symbol here, or logo I should say. It has a black strap that goes around the waist. It is adjustable here. It also opens up here, which I think is really cool. It's a little loud, but I do like a little pop of color, so the color actually does not bother me. So the last bag I have to show you guys is technically not a handbag because it's not a handbag, but it is one of my designer bags, so I'm going to show you guys anyway. It's the last bag of this video. It is the Balenciaga logo Explorer bag. Okay, so this bag is almost, I guess you can consider this bag their gym bag. I think that's what they have it listed as. I do not use it as a gym bag. I feel like this bag costs a little too much money to be a gym bag, but I do use this bag for work, and I do use this bag to travel and just quick overnight things. This bag comes with the shoulder strap. It can come off on both sides, so if you just want to use it as a duffel bag, you can do so, which I think is really cool about the bag. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel today. Today was such a fun video. It was my luxury handbag collection. I know a lot of people have asked to see it, and I finally did the video for you guys. So I'm so happy it's out. I'm so happy you guys get to see what's in my collection. There are so many other bags that I wish I had. There's so many other bags that I would love to add to my collection. But as for right now, this is what your girl got. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do have a new bag that is on its way, and when that bag comes in, I promise you guys I will do an unboxing video. It should be in about a week or less. I think within the next week the bag should be here, so I will not forget to do that unboxing video with you guys. Before you go, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell notifications so every time I post a video you guys will know. And if there's any videos you guys would like me to do, please feel free to let me know in the description below or DM me, and I will be more than happy to do these videos for you. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel today, and I'll see you guys next time.